Welcome. I have translated from Chinese to English for your attention. Zontes 703R Oil Change Video Tutorial. Preparation Tools. Number 17 hex socket, torque wrench, 14 flank 65mm cap-type precision oil filter wrench. Start the vehicle and let it idle for 3 to 5 minutes. Then turn off the vehicle and wait for 3 to 5 minutes, so as not to burn your hands. Use the number 17 socket with a torque wrench to first loosen the drain bolt. Place an oil collection tray under the drain bolt, then remove the drain bolt. When the oil has drained, use a 14 flank 65mm cap-type precision oil filter wrench to remove the oil precision filter. To speed up the oil drainage, open the oil filler cap. Wait 5 to 10 minutes until the oil drains completely. Then reinstall the drain bolt. When installing the drain bolt, use a clean non-woven cloth to wipe it clean and check if the threads and sealing washer are damaged. Replace immediately if damaged. Use a clean non-woven cloth to wipe the drain area clean, then install the drain bolt. Use the number 17 socket and torque wrench to tighten and secure the drain bolt. The torque setting is 43 Newton meters. Before installing the new precision oil filter, apply a ring of new engine oil to the filter seal. Install the precision filter onto the engine. Use the 14 flank 65mm cap-type precision filter wrench to tighten and secure it. The torque setting is 22 Newton meters. Use a clean non-woven cloth to wipe residual oil around the filter. Using a funnel, add 3.4 liters of engine oil through the oil filler port. If only changing oil, and not the precision oil filter, add 3.0 liters of oil. Warning: the oil specification must meet SN10W50 or higher standards. Use a clean non-woven cloth to wipe residual oil from around the oil filler port, then screw the oil cap back on. Note: the oil cap has an O-ring seal. If damaged, replace it promptly. Start the vehicle and let it run at different speeds for about 3 minutes, while checking the installation areas for any oil seepage or leaks. If oil seepage or leaks occur, check the cause and handle promptly. Turn off the vehicle and wait 3 minutes. Then check the oil level in the oil sight window to ensure it is within the marked lines. Note: the vehicle must be in an upright, stable state when checking. Reset maintenance mileage tutorial. Long press the menu key to enter the information page. Settings. Select vehicle information, then select remaining maintenance mileage. Choose Reset, then exit the page. Maintenance mileage update is complete. Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, Mad Mick.